know they may be in the training, but
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, reading, sleeping, eating, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device and mute it and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Elva Rosado Atkins. Ticket number P1406097, count 1, 60 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clay Miller on behalf of the defendant, P86291. I would like to waive my client's appearance if possible.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock, 9:57. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion, Mr. Miller?
I would like to make a motion to dismiss, Your Honor, because the officer has failed to show up. Thank you.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. We're all set, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter. Have a great day, everyone.
You too. Judge, you want me to bring out Miss Silly Davis? But wait.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can bring her out. I forgot she represents herself.
Yes. Yes, she does.
Why did she come in person? Did she say?
She just got quiet. Miss Davis, Miss Silly, Miss Davis Silly.
Well,
Okay. Oh. Hold on.
No, we can't.
Okay, 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, walking around, drinking, and driving, or doing anything. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Miss David Sealy, she has 2 files. She has 2 files. Did you find another file? You had it yesterday.
hello?
Hold on, Miss
Yeah.
Silly.
Hold on 1 second, Miss David Sealy. All right, this is the people versus Anaya Davis Sealy. Ticket number, the officers didn't show up yesterday either.
They didn't, and they were subpoenaed, Judge.
Okay. This is the people versus Anaya Davis Sealy. Ticket number SP 1314340, count 1, no proof of insurance, count 2, expired place, count 3, no valid registration. Ticket number P 1314296, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1224814. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, expired plate. Ticket number SP 87177. Count 1, urination, defecation in public. Count 2, reckless driving. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And hold on 1 second. Ticket number SP 871177. Count 2, reckless driving. Or I'm sorry, count 1 is disorderly conduct. Count 2 is reckless driving. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. I think that is all the tickets. Good morning. Oh, no, it's not. Give me 1 second. ticket number SP 871176. You know what, those are in the fall. Okay, I think I've called all the matters. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
And I David Sealy Bay.
All right.
Does she have, Judge, I'm sorry. Does she have a camera?
No, she called.
Okay.
No,
Miss David Sealy, you were supposed to be in person. How come you didn't show up? Why did you not show up in person?
and I have it right here, and it does not say in person. It says join Zoom hearing, and it has it on the ticket.
So some of them, you are correct. Some of them are for Zoom because they're like a final retrial or formal hearing, but you had a jury trial set. Because you had a hearing yesterday and you didn't show up, but today was the jury trial.
And Judge
This
Tamika
is
Horn on
the
behalf of
same.
this.
I'm not understanding how you can bring these cases up and charge me 2 different times. If it was dismissed under the same story, how can you bring it back up in court?
That's the
You
thing,
can't
they
do
weren't, that's the thing, they weren't dismissed. So you did have some cases that were dismissed, but those were other tickets. You had like a lot of tickets. So these are other tickets that you had that had not been dismissed.
Let's say.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P 70303. Ms. Sealy, just to remind you, you demanded the jury trial and you did not show up in person. But the officers
I'm
are,
speaking with.
this is Tamika Horn, the prosecutor. So it was set for jury trial. I was aware it was
So
a
you
jury
say
trial today.
you said I requested a jury trial.
She just wouldn't, she would waive, she would plead.
Okay, so the judge explained to me why it was set for jury trial. So now I understand. But the officers did not show up today, and that's the reason it's being dismissed without prejudice, meaning that in the future, the officers could refile these cases to reinstate the case.
Right, so all of,
Okay.
I think your other cases were dismissed without prejudice as well, so they can be refiled. Do you understand?
I understand it can be refiled, but I don't understand how can this dismissed with prejudice or without prejudice. Did you say? It's like, how can you bring it up if you dismiss it? Like, what would you come back to court and argue or say if you didn't come the first time?
They didn't, right, I mean, that's a valid argument, but they were not dismissed with prejudice. They were dismissed without prejudice, so the officers can always refile. It's no telling why they didn't appear before. It could have been because they were sick or they didn't get notified, or I don't know why they didn't appear. I just know they did not appear, just like they haven't appeared today. And it's possible they may be in training, I don't know, but these are going to be dismissed without prejudice because the officer has appeared. I'm assuming you are moving to have these dismissed, Ms. Davis Sealy, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so, but if they're refiled, then you gotta do something, because the reason why it got set for a jury trial is because you refused to make admissions, you refused to waive the jury, and so I didn't have a choice but to set it for a jury trial. So, I mean, I understand you just wanted it to be dismissed, but it just can't be dismissed just because you show up for court and say, hey, I want this dismissed. You have to do something. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yes.
So so I would suggest that next time if this does come back, let the attorney represent you. I mean, she's gonna do her best to help you win. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. It's like going to the casino. But it may be best to have some assistance.
Okay.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. As of now, you're all set. Good luck to you. Make good
Okay.
decisions.
Thank you.
All right.
You too.